Manhyia Palace on this sacred Akwasidae day, history did not walk, it danced. From Ejisu emerged a living embodiment of grace, strength, and ancestral memory. The Queen Mother of Ejisu, adorned in regal clothes and crowned with dignity, she stepped forward, not merely a royalty, but as a custodian of centuries. Her dance was not rushed, it was deliberate, measured, commanding. Every movement spoke the language of the ancestors, a language older than words, understood by spirits, royals, and history itself. As she danced before queens and kings, her step carried the authority of motherhood, the wisdom of age, and the unbreakable spine of Ashanti womanhood. This was not performance for applause. This was protocol, power, and prayer woven into motion. The Queen Mother of Ejisu reminded all present that in Ashanti civilization, women do not stand behind history, they stand at its center. As Queen Mother, she is counselor to kings, guardians of lineage, and the womb through which royalty is sustained. Her presence alone commands respect. Her dance demands reverence. The courtyard of Ejisu fell into a sacred stillness as her display unfolded. Drums followed her rhythm, not the other way around. The ground beneath her feet seems to remember her, as if the ancestors themselves were responding to her call. In that moment, beauty met authority, elegance met power, tradition met eternity. This was the Queen Mother of Ejisu, dancing not for the present alone, but for generations past and generations yet unborn. A reminder that Ashanti culture lives because its women carry it, protect it, and release it at the right moment. What we witnessed was outstanding. What we witnessed was rare. What we witnessed was royalty in its purest form. Long live the Queen Mother of Ejisu. Long live Ashanti tradition. Long live the golden stool.
If you want to see more incredible ancestral histories of African kings and queens stories filled with drama, action, legacy, and power, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Who knows, even your king might be featured next. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more epic historical stories.